Don't cook eggs in the same old boring way anymore. No more fried eggs, no more boiled eggs, no more omelets. Today I will show you how to transform regular eggs into an extremely special and delicious dish. I believe this steamed egg dish is the best way to enjoy eggs you've ever tried. My family asks for this dish every week, and today I will share all the secrets with you. With just 5 eggs and a few simple ingredients, you can create a masterpiece that looks like it comes from a 5-star restaurant. The golden yolk layer gives this dish an incredibly appealing and irresistible appearance. However, don't let the luxurious appearance deceive you, as this recipe is actually very simple to make at home. Today I bought fresh eggs from the market along with ground meat, wood ear mushrooms, carrots, garlic, and rice vermicelli. Let me guide you through the steps to make this dish. First, crack 5 eggs into a large bowl. Then, use a spoon to separate 2 egg yolks into a small bowl. Using the spoon, you can quickly and easily separate the yolks from the whites. Note that only 2 yolks are separated into the small bowl. These 2 yolks will form the top layer of the egg pancake. Use a chopstick to thoroughly beat the 2 egg yolks, breaking down their structure so they become loose and completely homogeneous. These broken down yolks will play a crucial role in creating a golden, eye-catching finish with the right amount of stickiness. Next, properly prepare the wood ear mushrooms. Put the dry mushrooms into a bowl and pour warm water to cover them. Soak for about 15 to 20 minutes until the mushrooms swell, soften, and fully absorb the water. After soaking, rinse the mushrooms several times under running water to remove sand and dirt. Then squeeze out the water thoroughly. Next, cut the mushrooms into small pieces to distribute them evenly throughout the egg pancake. Next, prepare the carrots. Peel and wash the carrots. Finally, finely chop the carrots. The smaller the carrots are chopped, the more evenly the color and sweetness distribute throughout the patty. After chopping, squeeze the carrots to remove excess water. Too much water will make the patty soggy and hard to shape. You can also use a grater if you want to save time. Both methods are effective. As for the garlic, peel and wash it, then slice it thinly and mince it finely. Garlic adds a strong aroma and completely eliminates the fishy smell of the eggs. For the dong noodles, soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes until they become soft and chewy. Drain them and use scissors to cut into short pieces about 3 to 4 centimeters long. Cutting them into short pieces helps prevent clumping and ensures even distribution in the mixture. Now combine all the ingredients in a large pot. Add the ground meat, and for the best results, choose a type with a 70% lean and 30% fat ratio. This ratio ensures the meatballs are soft, moist, and flavorful without being dry or greasy. Ground meat adds richness and helps bind the ingredients, resulting in a firm yet tender and smooth texture. Next, add the chopped wood ear mushrooms and diced carrots. Wood ear mushrooms provide a wonderful chewy texture and absorb flavors well, making each bite rich and flavorful. Carrots add a natural sweetness and a vibrant orange color, making the dish more visually appealing. Add chopped garlic, which helps create a strong aroma and completely eliminate the fishy smell of the eggs. Add the rice vermicelli that's been prepped in advance first. The vermicelli adds a fluffy, light, and soft texture, making the dish special and not heavy. Add 3 egg yolks and flour into the mixture. Now is the time to add seasonings to the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of seasoning powder to the egg patty mixture to enhance its sweet and rich flavor. Next, add a tablespoon of ground pepper to add a warm, aromatic scent and a subtle spiciness. Also during this seasoning step, add a tablespoon of salt to balance the saltiness and enhance the egg's flavor. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to mellow the saltiness, add a light sweetness, and give the egg patties a beautiful golden color when fried. After adding all the seasonings, use a spatula to stir evenly until everything is fully combined, forming a uniform egg mixture ready for the next cooking step. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. Now prepare your steaming tray. You can use a rectangular tray or a round serving bowl as you like. Brush a thin layer of cooking oil inside the tray to prevent sticking. Pour the minced meat mixture into the tray, spread it evenly, and flatten the surface with a spatula. Gently shake the mold a few times to let the egg mixture set. This step is very important as it helps expel the air bubbles from the mixture. Removing the air bubbles helps prevent the egg pancake from having a honeycomb texture in the final product. Bring water to a boil in the steamer before placing the mold in. Carefully place the mold in the center of the steamer, close the lid, and steam over medium heat. Steam for about 20 to 25 minutes until the mixture sets and is fully cooked. Keep the heat steady at medium. If the heat is too high, the mixture will puff up and then collapse, creating a spongy and rough surface. Avoid lifting the lid during the initial steaming period. After steaming for 25 minutes, open the steamer lid. At this point, the surface has set and firmed up. Gently pour the beaten yolk mixture over the surface. Tilt the mold in different directions to let the yolk spread evenly and cover the entire surface. Work quickly to prevent the yolk from overcooking due to the residual heat from the base. The golden yolk layer will create a shiny, attractive finish. Now place the mold back in the steamer and steam for another 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. The low heat allows the yolk to cook slowly and evenly. During this final steaming stage, the yolk will form a beautiful shiny golden layer, appearing like a smooth, creamy texture. Do not overcook as the yolk will become dry, rubbery, and lose its vibrant golden color. After 5 to 7 minutes, the surface will set, becoming glossy and radiant. Remove the cha from the steamer and let it cool completely for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cooling is an essential step that helps the cha firm up and stabilize its texture. If cut while still hot, the cha will break apart and become crumbly. Once the egg patty is completely cooled, use a sharp knife to cut a line around the edge of the mold to loosen it. Next, place a plate over the mold, flip it over, and gently tap to lift out the patty in one neat piece. Then place another plate on top of the patty and flip it again. Now the golden yolk layer will be on top, looking shiny and incredibly appealing. Finally, just use a knife to cut it into smaller pieces for each serving. This recipe turns 5 regular eggs and a few simple ingredients into a truly extraordinary dish. The scallion pancakes are soft and silky, the wood ear mushrooms are firm and chewy, the carrots are sweet and delicate, and the lotus root adds a light, airy texture. The golden yolk layer adds a creamy, buttery richness, with the melted butter aroma melting in your mouth. Fried shallots scattered throughout the dish release a sweet caramel scent in every bite. Fish sauce and pepper create the perfect balance of salty, sweet, and mild spiciness. It's truly a symphony of flavors and textures in a visually appealing dish. If you find this recipe helpful, give it a try and share your results. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.